This is my video on what I did for my data warehousing project. My student number is X14109603, and I'm in postgraduate diploma in data analytics class. In terms of extract, load and transform, one source of data was from Twitter sentiment analysis, and two sources were from one from Quandl containing stock data, and the other from the ACSI website. OR was used as a staging area, once the data was imported into OR, and then partially combined, and the result was three separate files for cleaning. In the cleaning stage, data was imported into Google Refine, and redundant columns were removed, and units were made consistent prior to the data being imported into the data mart. Using SQL Server integration services, a simple control flow was set up along with a data flow that imported the data from a flat CSV file into the destination staging area. The data was converted and put into three separate staging tables for the data modeling process. The next phase was to model the data within SQL Server Management Studio. Using SQL statements, the data was removed from the staging tables and put into the three real tables, which were consisted of a star schema configuration. The next phase was to generate an OLAP cube in analysis services. This was done by defining dimensions and fact table, and then deploying the cube within analysis services. This allowed for easier querying using pivot tables, and partitions could be set up for optimized querying. To answer the three case studies, pivot tables were used to query the data and generate graphs to gain insight into the data that was put into the data mart. One of the final steps was to generate reports in SQL Server Reporting Studio. These consisted of tables and a mixture of graphs as well. Once they were completed, they were uploaded to the reporting server. Once the data was uploaded onto the reporting server, they could be viewed by management. All the graphs could be viewed by management, and then the business decisions could be made based on that data.